Welcome, today I'm with AKG Y50 and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to Apple Watch. So at first you have to focus on the right headphone and you have to find this button. You have to click on it once to turn them on and move to the pairing mode. When this indicator is blinking on the blue, it means that everything's fine. So you have to put them back and then simply move to your Apple Watch. You have to go for the settings. You have to go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And now just take a look on the available devices list. After a few moments, AKG will pop on the list, so we have to tap on it once. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.